Hope that it is sensitive to the weather. The mayor reported our numbers today, and he also indicated and showed how our numbers over the last 3 days of new cases has gone down. Both HPD and HFD have brought us some good news. That does not mean that the virus has left. What that means is that we are all as a community doing an increasingly better job of social distancing and keeping our families and our friends safe. One thing to keep in mind in public health, research has shown over the years that when you put an intervention into a community to try and slow down the virus, it takes about 2 weeks before you see the impact of it. And I think that's what we're seeing now, is the impact of everyone's hard work. Please don't misunderstand that to think that the virus has left town. It has not left town. And so we need to continue to be vigilant. Today, there's another death, another tragic death. And so that should be a stark reminder that we are still in this game, and we can expect to continue to be in it for some time. To that point, I want to remind folks again, I'm probably starting to sound like a bit of a broken record, but the mask that you wear, so many of us, I'm so glad to see that so many of us are wearing masks here today. That isn't to protect you, that's to protect the person next to you. Social distancing is a separate strategy. Keeping 6 feet at least from the folks next to you is a separate strategy. They work in concert with each other, and the same thing with testing. That is yet a third way that we are working to keep our community safe, but no one of them replaces the other. And then if we continue to do what we're doing, hopefully we'll continue to see our numbers improve, but that's not in spite of what we're doing, it is because of what we're doing. Thank you.
During this crisis, and for also wearing the face mask in public, just to show everybody it's just another step, the many steps that you've implemented or put in place to keep everybody safe. Thank you, Project Cure.